Welcome to the Wisdom Box. At the Wisdom Box, we are going to learn some tools and techniques to improve our skills. Do not forget to subscribe and like this channel if you're keen to learn life skills. Every Sunday, we will launch a mini module to make you learn a new skill.
Your mother probably taught you it's rude to stare, but measured observation in negotiation gives you a practical advantage. Experts like Dr. Gabriel and Neely Ram emphasize watching mannerisms. Notice baseline behavior early in a discussion. Then, as negotiation unfolds, look for sudden departures from that baseline. A change can signal discomfort, hiding, or negotiation tactics. This video breaks the process into simple steps: establish baseline, spot changes, interpret carefully, and respond ethically. Keep your observations casual and respectful. The goal is information, not intimidation. Use friendly eye contact and discreet glances. Begin by observing during introductions. People tend to show relaxed, habitual gestures when the topic is neutral. Note hand gestures, frequency, openness of palms, and whether hands rest visible on the table or hide under it. Observe facial expressions and micro-expressions. A neutral baseline helps detect fleeting signs of stress or concealment later. Track posture and orientation. Open chest and forward lean show engagement, crossed arms or angled torso can be habitual or defensive. Listen to the voice, rate, volume and rhythm are part of baseline behavior. Note normal pauses and speaking pace. Record these baseline markers mentally or with notes. Baseline gives context to every later change during negotiation. As offers and counteroffers arrive, watch for departures from baseline. Sudden shifts often matter more than isolated gestures. Micro-expressions are brief, involuntary facial reactions. A quick tightening of the mouth can reveal concern or concealment. Adaptive gestures like touching the face, rubbing the neck, or fiddling with a pen often rise with stress or cognitive load. Eyes shift or blink rate changes can indicate discomfort or that someone is constructing an answer rather than recalling facts. Feet and legs are often overlooked. Uncomfortable feet movements or turned-away feet can signal a desire to exit or disengage. Compare these changes directly to the baseline. A single gesture alone rarely proves intent. Pattern and timing matter. Example 1. A negotiator suddenly hides their hands under the table when a tough clause is mentioned. That change deserves attention. Example 2. A quick nod-chin smile paired with tightened eyes suggests politeness without genuine positive feeling. Example 3. Rapid speech rate after an offer can be a tactic to rush decision-making or a sign of nervousness. Example 4. Mirroring your posture early builds rapport. If mirroring stops when stakes rise, rapport may be weakening. Use animated callouts to label cues: palms, gaze, micro-expression, voice. Visual comparisons of baseline versus changed behavior clarify meaning. Remember context, culture, personality, and situational factors shape behavior. Always corroborate with other signals and facts. When you spot a change, pause and seek clarification. Ask open questions rather than making accusations. Use reflective statements, repeat key points and watch for reactions. This can reveal whether a statement is comfortable or resisted. Avoid overreading one cue. Combine body language with verbal content, documents, and context before drawing conclusions. Practice with colleagues. Role-play negotiations, record baseline behavior, and review where changes appeared and why. Ethics matter. Use body language tactfully to improve communication, not to manipulate or coerce agreements. In short, establish baseline, watch for changes, interpret patterns, and respond with calm questions. That is how you gain an edge.